call them every single day, show up to the project, you know, just show up unannounced and see if work is getting done. Most of the time, if they're taking too long, a contractor has taken on too many projects for other people and they're moving their crews around. They only have so many guys that work for them, and they'll spend a day per week at each project, for example. So I would show up to the project and be like, hey, no one's working, where are you guys at? You know, that, you know, speeds people up. Withholding payment, of course, is a good one. Usually I was paying my contractor each week, and if work wasn't getting done, of course I'm not paying him. So that's one way to motivate people. And I was lucky enough to have my own subcontractors, and I would never overpay my contractor too. So if I had to fire him at some point, I wasn't behind, or I wasn't losing any money. I would hope, if anything, you know, the contractor was owed money when I fired him. And I would bring my own subs in and finish the project myself. So not everyone can do that. Managing the cash and the payments with the contractor is really, really good leverage. Just making sure that people are showing up to the project every single day.